Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FTEG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday on Tuesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. But this is also where the initial update comes into play, and that update is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that is exactly what happened today. Price broke down below there, and then as the rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance, and you can see that multiple times the price tried to bounce back up above, and right there at 0009 was indeed acting as resistance. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can never get back above 0009 or anything like that. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price ultimately did start to struggle right around that 0009 mark. So that is certainly going to be the near-term level of resistance, that the sooner the price can get back up above it, the better. In the event the price can get pushed back up through there, the next key overarching level of resistance right up there at 0014. As far as areas of support are concerned, now it's all about that pink line down here, which is the very famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, that is certainly a level that you would want to see the price stay up above. And right now that's valued right around, we'll call it 0006. So 0006, again, I would call it a very important level and probably a must-hold level, because while I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, in the event the price went down to 0006, broke below it, and then continue to separate to the downside, what would you have at that point? You would literally have the price right back to where it all started before the price went on this very nice move right here. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Once more, not saying that's what's going to occur, just trying to explain why that 0006 and that 200 period moving average is definitely a very important level going forward. So we'll see if the price is indeed stabilized here and it can start to turn things around or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.